we picked up numbers of Alexandrium that we had never seen before, that amount. And this is across the whole North Atlantic, North Pacific. We had this new route that's been running through the Bering Sea into the Arctic Ocean since 2018, and we started to pick up really high numbers of an Alexandrium species, which is a dinoflagellate. Some of these species can be toxic. They can produce a saxitoxin, which causes paralytic shellfish poisoning and can cause death to fisheries shellfish, but also harm up the food web. So there's been reports of bowhead whales and northern fur seals dying in the area from these high concentrations of the toxin. This kind of transition area from the Pacific into the Arctic has shown some of the most extreme warming in the last few years. So it is predicted that some of these species from the Pacific and moving into the Arctic region. But it's also been demonstrated by other researchers and their groups looking at Alexandrium in the area that there are these cyst beds of Alexandrium, and with bottom water temperatures warming up, it's likely that they are creating some of these mega blooms. So it's likely and expected that these blooms will continue and are likely to get even more intense in their size.